tricks for PTE Read Aloud. 1. Understand the sentence first during preparation time. You get around 30 to 40 seconds before the mic opens. Quickly read the sentence silently to understand the meaning and tone. Identify difficult words and check the punctuation. 2. Fluency is more important than accuracy. Do not stop, repeat, or correct yourself while reading. If you make a small mistake, just continue. The software scores you higher for fluent delivery than for perfect grammar. 3. Use proper intonation and word stress. Don't speak in a flat tone. Stress the important content words, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Example, the environment is gradually changing due to climate change. 4. Pause where punctuation tells you to. Comma, short pause. Full stop, long pause. Colon, semicolon equals medium pause. This helps with natural rhythm and clarity. 5. Practice difficult words separately. Make a list of words from academic topics, like science, economy, health. Practice their pronunciation with apps like Google or Cambridge Dictionary. 6. Record yourself. Use your mobile or app to record your voice while practicing. Listen and check for clear pronunciation, consistent fluency, natural pacing. Use a read aloud structure while practicing. Speak confidently in the beginning, smoothly through the middle, and clearly at the end. Example, the global economy has experienced significant changes over the last decade. Bonus tip, read like a news anchor, confident, smooth, and slightly expressive.